Today, International Women's Day 2026, we celebrate strength, intelligence, unstoppable spirit of women across the world. It is not just a date on our calendar, it is a reminder to say how far we have come and how far we still need to go. In 2026, women are leading nations, running global companies, advancing space, exploring science, and breaking barriers in every field. International Women's Day 2026 aims at Give to Gain campaign, encouraging generosity and collaboration to foster equality.
We stand on the shoulders of extraordinary women who dare to challenge history and rewrite norms. Leaders like Diana Taylor, who is an actor-cum-singer, Chloe Zhao, who is a filmmaker, and Reshma Keval, who is the CEO of Vertex Pharma Opticals, and political leaders like Ursula von der Leyen and Claudia Sheinbaum are recognized for advancing equity, technology, and sustainability. Let's not forget our Indian leaders like Kiran Bedi, Riddhi Mehta, and Jessie Thomas.
India's most influential women personalities of this year are Nandini Sharma, who is an educator, entrepreneur, and youth influencer; Komal Pandey, who is human resources and talent acquisition leader; Pallavi Irande, who is an author, life coach, and spiritual and emotional wellness guide.
True progress happens when we move from celebration to commitment. As we celebrate today, let us pledge to uplift, to mentor, to support, to believe, to act. When women rise, the societies rise. When women succeed, the nation succeeds. When women lead, the world progresses. Happy International Women's Day to all incredible women, past, present, and future. Be proud to be a woman.